Let's look at how to add previously taught skills to Spiral Review when starting the program later in the school year. We encourage teachers to add prior skills and include no more than 3 skills in any assignment. A reminder that any targeted skills added to an assignment will become part of the Spiral Review for students to practice throughout the year. Let's say I want to create an assignment with 2 skills relating to today's lesson on finding volume of a cylinder. To do this, I go to the Work tab and click the plus button to create an assignment. Name the assignment. Opening the folder from the skill bank, find the 2 newly taught skills. Click to open the first skill and see a sample of the problem. Use the green refresh arrow cycling through several samples to ensure this is the skill matching the new lesson. Click Add Skill. Repeat this process for the second skill to see several samples of the problem before adding the skill. I'll also add 1 skill I previously taught on graphing proportional relationships. I'll cycle through several samples before clicking Add Skill to create an assignment with a total of 3 skills. Or maybe you want to accelerate adding those previously taught skills to the Spiral Review. If so, you could instead add 2 prior skills and 1 new skill when creating an assignment. Whichever method of adding previously taught skills you choose, try not to exceed more than 3 skills in any assignment to help prevent student frustration. And always include built-in Spiral Review points in any assignment. The default is 8 Spiral Review points, but you can modify as needed. The default points for the targeted skills is 3. We recommend this number to help students level up colors more efficiently. Once skills have been chosen, click Save. Before clicking Assign, be sure to model all skills, including those you've assigned to your students prior to using Get More Math. Select the skill and use the full screen icon and green refresh arrow to allow unlimited guided practice. This helps students not only view the types of problems they will be solving, but more importantly, students will see how to correctly input their answers. For this skill your students learned prior to using the program, you'll want to model how to change the scale of the x-axis and y-axis, and select the correct option from the inline choices to accurately graph this proportional relationship. Once you have modeled each of the skills in the assignment, click Assign. You can choose to assign to multiple classes, and you can either assign immediately or schedule the assignment for later student access.